Hello, everyone. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that your dreams are too big, too far, or too impossible to reach? Have you ever looked at your life and thought, maybe I'm not meant for something great? If you've ever felt that way, then stay with me until the end of this story, because today you're about to hear the journey of a girl who proved that even the smallest light can break the darkest night. This story might change how you see your own life forever. There was once a girl named Alia living in a tiny house at the edge of a quiet village. Her room was small, her life was simple, and her family struggled every single day. But Alia had something special, a dream she never spoke about, to fly airplanes. Every night she looked at the sky and whispered, "One day, I'll touch the clouds." But she never told anyone, not her mother, who worked too much, not her friends, who would laugh and say, "Girls like us don't fly." So Alia kept the dream hidden, like a bird locked inside her heart. One morning, Alia's teacher announced a trip to the airport. Alia's heart raced. It was the first time she would see a real airplane up close. When she stepped inside the airport, everything felt magical. The sound of engines, the pilots walking proudly in their uniforms, the airplanes lifting into the sky. Her dream suddenly felt real, close, possible. Then a pilot walked by, looked at Alia, and said, "Dream big, little one. The sky is waiting for you." Those words stayed with her forever. But life wasn't kind. Alia grew older. Her family became poorer. She worked in a bakery to help her mother. Her dream started to fade like an old photograph. One night, exhausted, she looked at the sky and whispered, "Maybe I was wrong. Maybe the sky isn't for me." And for the first time, she cried. The next morning, a man walked into the bakery where Alia worked. He was tired, angry, stressed. Alia greeted him with the brightest smile she could manage. She didn't know who he was, but he was Captain Idris, one of the most respected pilots in the country. He noticed her kindness, so he asked, "Do you enjoy working here?" Alia paused and said quietly, "I enjoy helping people, but my heart is somewhere else." "Where?" he asked. She hesitated, then finally whispered the dream she had hidden for years. "I want to fly." Captain Idris stared at her for a long moment, then said, "Then why aren't you chasing the sky?" She looked down. "Because girls like me don't become pilots." He smiled. "Girls like you are exactly the ones who do." Captain Idris didn't forget her. He returned the next week with a clear message. "If you want this, I'll help you, but the sky does not open for those who stand still." That night, Alia made the hardest decision of her life. She would try, even if she failed, even if everyone laughed. She studied every night after work. She saved every coin she earned. Slowly, painfully, she started flight lessons. But dreams always test us. One day, Alia failed her landing exam. Her instructor told her, "You're not ready." Alia felt crushed. She thought of quitting, giving up, ending the story. But Captain Idris said something she never forgot. "Falling doesn't mean you can't fly. It means the sky wants you to rise stronger." So she tried again, and again, and again, until one day, she landed perfectly. Years later, Alia stood proudly in her pilot uniform. Her mother cried when she saw her, and when Alia sat in the cockpit for the first time, she whispered, "I made it. I found the sky." And at that moment, Alia realized something powerful. The sky was never far away. It was always inside her, waiting for her courage to arrive. So if you're listening to this, and you have a dream that feels impossible, remember Alia, Remember that the sky doesn't choose the strongest or the richest. It chooses the ones who refuse to stop trying. Your dream is waiting for you. Don't keep it waiting too long. And now, my friend, before you leave this video, I want you to think about Alia one more time. She didn't have money, she didn't have support, she didn't have an easy life. But she had one thing, a dream that refused to die, and that was enough. Maybe you also have a dream, a small one, a forgotten one, a dream you keep hidden because you think it's too late or too big. Listen carefully. It is not too late. You are not too small, and your dream is not impossible. Even the biggest stars began as tiny sparks in a very dark sky. So keep going, even slowly, even with fear, even with doubt, because every step you take brings you closer to the sky waiting for you. If you enjoyed this story, if it touched your heart, and if you want to improve your English through more powerful stories like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. Your support helps me create more inspiring stories for you. Thank you for listening. And remember, your sky is waiting.